Right, this is a revisit to the video I did the other day of the Wilesco D430. What I did the other day, I was using the original burner with 2 tablets. I was running the engine and the pressure shot right up into the red. Now that surprised me really, because you would have thought that if you're actually running the engine on only 2 tablets and the engine's running, so you are using steam, that the pressure wouldn't build up into the red. Yeah, maybe something higher on the green, because this will run on less than half a bar, so I didn't need pressure going right up even to the top of the green, let alone in the red, and it was well in the red, and it was probably getting to the stage where it would have the safety valve would have kicked in. So yeah, so I was quite surprised, because it only had 2 tablets. That's the recommended amount, and where it was in about to be the valve was about to blow off. So what I did, I bought this little Bix burner. So I'm going to run it on a Bix burner and see if I can regulate the pressure better once it's controlled with the gas. So let me just turn that down, get down to a nice level. That's a sort of flame you'd get off the original burner, so it's not too big. Get that in there. Can't see it properly. Yep, it's definitely in now. It's definitely going. Right, so we're going to give that a go. The only thing I've noticed with the Bix burner, it creates a bit of soot, so it'll be a cleaning time after I've finished. But what I'm hoping is that once I get this the pressure gauge up to where I want it and run it, I can maintain a reasonable pressure and not go into the red. So that's the aim of the exercise today. So I'll just leave that there for a sec and let the pressure build up, and then I'll come back, because it'll probably take a couple of minutes to build up anyway. So pop back in a sec. Yeah, we're beginning to boil. This is what I was saying about the soot. Well, I'll probably have to turn that down a bit, but it's not very high, that burner. So we're up to more or less up to pressure now. Right, she goes. Right, so I'm going to get that pressure's. Right, so the pressure's building up now. So now I think it's chance to turn the gas down a little bit. This is what I was doing the other day, and the pressure went right up into the red. And I was only running it normal, probably running a bit slower. I like running them slower. They're lovely. I still look. This looked great, this machine. I think the visual effect. Great machines. I should just do a review on it, or a run through. I'll probably do that. Like not a review, an overview. But yeah, see the Bix, see that stain? It just wipes off. But you don't get it with the tablets. But with the tablets, you can't regulate the temperature. So I'm running it now. I'm going to give it a few minutes, because when I did it a couple of days ago, I waited a few minutes on the tablets, and when I turned around, I looked at that gauge and it was over here, well in the red. I'm trying to regulate that so it stays about where it is, or even a bit more, but not into the red. Oh, it amazes me how quiet these run. Okay. I'm trying to get it to run as slow as possible without it stopping. I think it's going to stop. Pressure's still building up, so it might not stop. But that is really slow. I mean, that's too slow now. But as the pressure builds, that will speed up again. Right, so that is building now. So I'm trying to reduce that flame in there a touch more. You can't really see. It's difficult to see because it's so low down the burner. But yeah, there is a bit of soot there. Really quiet these are. Smooth as silk. Got a little bit of steam's coming out the chimney as it should. Difficult to see. But yeah, steam's coming out the chimney. I'm keeping an eye on this. Now I think that's done it. We're at a nice pressure level now. Get your steam coming out. A nice pressure level. At speeds what are comfortable. Yes, that's maintaining. It's maintaining the pressure. Comfortable. What I might do a test. I might try with one tablet. See how we get on with that. Because not everyone wants to be running out buying gas bottles. I use these quite big gas bottles. They last ages. I run loads and loads of machines on this before it runs out. You can I'll get a box of 6 off of Amazon for peanuts. And I connect different big burners up to them. With big machines, I take that one. But yeah, they're good. Butane, that's a butane propane mixture, that one. But there we go. And you look, see, we're a few minutes in now, and that's maintaining that pressure without going to red. A couple of days ago, it was well in the red, so we're in a safety zone. So I think if you can do it, that's the way to go. Fixed burner. Now they do a kit, from what I've gathered, a fixed burner with the built-in gas cylinder. I think it just sort of slots in there, and the gas cylinder is on the back somewhere. It probably sticks out to about here, so it stores the gas as well. So you don't have to have a hose running around to a tank. There is a conversion kit, and I think it all slots on the back. Now that's a really good way to go. But yeah, I'm comfortable now that pressure is not increasing, staying where it should do. We're running the engine lovely. yeah, so I think that's a successful test, that a Bix burner will keep it a safe pressure while running it. But yeah, there is a proper conversion kit with an integrated integral gas cylinder. I think the cylinders are only small. They're sort of be this size, but a completely different shape, but about that size, with probably a little valve on the top like that. And oh yeah, and it fits on the back there, or on the side. I'll have to have a look, but yeah, there is one built for these, and the Mamod, you know, traction engines as well. They have it. So I'm gonna leave it there. I think we've had a successful test. Lovely motor. These lovely steam engines. This is a keeper. I'm not getting rid of it. Like I say, I think this is a classic of the future. So I'm going to leave it there. Test was successful. Pressure still stable. It's a win. Cheers, guys.